Hello everyone. Welcome to the pre-market analysis for Thursday 26 September 2024 for micro E-mini NASDAQ index futures. So let's have a look at the pre-market analysis. Now the New York time is 9:30. The market is just starting at 9:30, but this video is for the pre-market analysis, basically how the market behaved until 9:30 and what are we looking for today as targets. So there was news released at 8:30 today. So there was some volatility in the market just 1 hour ago. So let's quickly jump into the volatility just for you to see the volatility part. Let's have a look at that quickly. You could see at 8:30 over here, the price, there was some volatility in the price and the indecisive candle has been formed. If you look at this moment here, now the time is 9:30, the market just opened and you can see the price is coming down. We will talk about it now while the price is also coming down. But very quickly, let's start from the daily chart. Week, weekly chart, we are expecting the price to go up and we are targeting the buy side liquidity residing at this swing high in the weekly chart. So weekly, our bias is bullish, just to target the buy side liquidity residing above. Then let's move into the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see the price went above this fair value gap, daily fair value gap. So now there is a chance, there's a possibility of it acting as an inverted fair value gap. There's a chance, but we have to see whether it reacts as inverted fair value gap. But we have marked it like that, and because it took these swing highs, relatively equal swing highs, the price already took them, and then we can see the price has a push towards upwards. So due to that, we are more having a bullish bias in the daily chart, targeting this swing high over here and for the buy side liquidity residing over there. So based on that narrative, what I explained now, we are expecting the price daily bias to be bullish. So if we are to take a trade today, we will be taking a bullish trade. Mainly we are looking to taking bullish entries. So let's now jump into the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart, in the 1 hour chart, you could see the price is too much stretched towards the upside. You could see a swing high was formed here, but then you could see this price is stretched towards up a lot. So if you look at this, then the price is at a premium level, premium market. If you draw a fib from this point to this point, so from hourly viewpoint, the price is at a premium level. Now we said the daily bias is bullish. So if the daily bias is bullish, and if you are looking at the hourly chart, then if we are to take a bullish entry, we should be ideally waiting till the price come towards the discounts, meaning below the 50% of the fib. So ideally, in that case, ideally, if you're looking at hourly chart, we should wait for the price to come down and then from here to take, let's say, a bullish entry targeting the buy side liquidity residing above. So that's the ideal scenario if you are looking at the hourly chart. However, if now while we are talking, the market has opened and the price is coming down, we can see that as well. Now, however, our bias is bullish. So when the bias is bullish, sometimes, let's say, even the price is stretched, we may see an entry in this area if we go into a low level chart However, the ideal scenario is to wait for the price to come to the discount. But when we go to the low level charts, if we see a turnaround of the price, if we see a swing low formed, and if we see a swing low formed with uh, high, like with a powerful displacement towards upside with a fair value gap, we may take a quick entry, bullish entry in the top area, but that depends on how the prices will get formed in the low level charts. Again, while we are speaking, you could see the price is pushing greatly, huge push towards downwards while we talk. So we are looking at this video as a pre-market analysis, but still now the market has opened, so it's even like a live commentary of the market. Now with that, so we don't see a trade in the hourly chart. That's what I wanted to say. Right? We don't see a trade in the hourly chart because it's in a premium level. It's not, price is not discounted. Now let's go and look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, so looking at the 15-minute chart, now the New York time is 9:41, so the market is active. Looking at the 15-minute chart, you can see this is that fib drawn in the 1 hour. So the price is hugely pushing down, still above 50%, meaning the price is at a premium level. Then looking at the power of 3 concept, the New York midnight open price is here. So the price is currently above the New York midnight open price. Ideally, if we are taking a bullish entry, we should take, if the price is below the New York midnight open, that is that will be like a best price, like a good price. However, if the market is showing signs of being like highly bullish, we could take the price below, like a bullish entry below the 830 New York open price, which is this. So you can see now the price is below the New York 830 open. So there, if any entry forms here to be bullish, we could take it considering as a good price to buy under 830 open, but ideally it should be below midnight open for ICT power of 3 concept to work. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the today's Thursday open midnight line is this. We can see the price has rallied up, and during London session we can see the price has rallied up, and you can see at 8:30 this yellow line over here, 8:30 a.m. excuse me, after the news, uh, you could see the price rallied up. Then we can consider that rally as sweeping the liquidity above the London session. So the London highs has been swept as liquidity. So that means there's buy side liquidity grabbed. So buy side liquidity grabbed, meaning according to the ICT concepts, then it's a sell happening over here. So that's what you see here. These candles are pushed down because after the buy side liquidity is grabbed, then the opposite, smart money, when the buy for smart money, the buy side liquidity means it's opportunity to sell. So it looks like the smart money is selling now with a huge displacement to the downside. Now originally, if you look at these nodes, weekly bias is bullish, daily bias is bullish, which means for a high quality entry we should be looking at a bullish trade, but at the which is below the 50%, which should be below the 50% like discounted price. But having said that, now we can see there's a huge push downwards, right? Now if you are a scalper, you can still, we like, you have to make the decision, but what I'm telling is there can be a chance of getting a bearish entry if they, like, for example, now even though we say this, we are not going to take a bearish entry, like, but one could now consider this is like smart money sell, and one could see if the price comes anywhere here, one could go into a low level chart like 5 minutes and see if there's a fair value gap, and if the price comes here, then one could sell, take a sell entry targeting, let's say the lows of the like the London lows. Now, but like, so what we say is traders can take different entries. Like one trader can take a buy entry, another trader can take a sell entry. Well, it depends on how the trader forms a narrative, and it depends on if you are a scalper or if you are like, let's say if you are not a scalper, but let's say still a day trader looking for a somewhat larger capturing of somewhat larger range of price. In that case, you may not take a bearish entry. You may wait till the price, let's say, these are possibilities. Like, it's what we say is not 100% accurately guaranteed thing. Like what? So another possibility is another trader might wait till the price come below 50%, and then to see if the price turns from here, and then to take a buy entry targeting these highs over here. Now, because the weekly and the daily bias is bullish, this over here will be an entry with somewhat higher probability of a win. Still, price is out of our control. What we are trying to do is to make an educated judgment, right? Okay, so that is what we are waiting for. So at the moment what we are waiting for is ideally for this type of entry, so you can enter over here. If not, to see, okay, if price sweeps the liquidity, let's say if I move this a little bit over here, to see if price sweeps, okay, you can see at the moment the price swept some liquidity of this London swing low. You can see the swing low formed here in London. So the one could consider, okay, the price swept the liquidity over here. If in that case below this is sell side liquidity, so then sell side liquidity for smart money is a buying opportunity. So now there is a chance where smart money might buy here, but we have to see the footprint. For that we have to go into a low level chart to see that footprint. Okay, so what I mean is we have to go to low level chart. When I say that, what I mean is we have to bring, let's say, like a 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chart, something like this. So this is the 1 minute chart, that's exact same area. So we have to see if there's any footprint being formed here. If so, we can make a decision accordingly. So that is the current situation, and that is our pre-market analysis. But the market already started, but now we are looking into opportunity. So overall, just to conclude the pre-market analysis, we are looking for a bullish entry, but we need to see a footprint being formed for that. So what we will do now is we'll stop this recording, but we will start a live stream of a live market analysis soon after this. So with that, we are going to stop the recording, and we'll see you all in the live stream in a little while. Stay safe until that. It won't be long, like we'll be starting live stream in 5 minutes. Can see you all.